Listen, I was late to the party, but the party didn't start until I got here. Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. Y'all, I'm so excited and so overwhelmed with joy because thank you so much to Urban Decay for sending this over as a gift for me to try these products. I am so excited to share them with you guys. Over here on my channel, you're going to get beauty, lifestyle, motherhood, fashion, all the girly things in between. So if you're interested in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But let's jump into my thoughts on this Face Bomb foundation. The two shades that I picked out were 28 medium deep and medium neutral. So let's go ahead and swatch both of these, and then I'm gonna, of course, put one on my face. Sorry for the elephant in the room. I did something that I never really do, but it was hurting so bad. This pimple was hurting so bad that I was like pressing it, and now it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna be fine. It's waterproof. The next one, anything skin related, I am all ears. So this one has a some serum in it, which is going to improve your skin texture, feel, and all the things. And then also it's self-setting. Now I typically do set my foundation with a setting powder, but we're going to see how it feels and then determine from there if we're going to set it with a setting powder. But it is a natural matte finish, medium buildable coverage, and then also you're not supposed to like feel it. It's supposed to be like lightweight. So let's swatch them and see what we think. So the packaging looks like this. Very, very cute packaging. I feel like it's easy to put this in your makeup bag and you don't have to worry about any clicking or clacking. Also, the way that this comes out, a lot of product is not going to come out and spill all over the place. So this is shade 28 medium deep neutral, which I think is going to be too deep for me right now. But then 24 medium neutral, I think should be a better shade. And this is how it comes out, y'all. Yeah, so this is 24 medium neutral, 28 medium deep neutral. So we're definitely going to go with the 24. So yeah, let's go ahead and use this. Hopefully it'll cover up some of this redness that I have on my face. I'm going in with a clean sponge. I am going to use a sponge for this. And I'm just going to go in naturally like I would if I was using another foundation. I'm not going to... Y'all, look how it just covered up that redness. That, my friend, is what I'm talking about. It definitely looks like my skin, but better. Like, aside from, you know, the traveling breaking out, but this looks really good. The color is not bad. I am going to go in with more because I want to see how it builds up. I know that it's not going to cover up my freckles, but I like to build it up here on my cheek area. And wow. This may be my new, like, natural matte foundation. And I think that's another reason that I really was excited about this is because it is a natural matte. Anything natural, I'm all here for. This looks really good and it feels like I have nothing on my skin. Girl, if you've been hesitating to try this, try it. Definitely try it. So I'm going to do the rest of my face and see how it will hold up with everything else, concealer, powders, all that. So I'm going to speed through this and then come back with the final look. Y'all, Urban Decay did their big one on this, okay? I feel gorgeous. I feel beautiful. I feel like I didn't have to do too much. I didn't have to add too much concealer, too much powder, bronzer, and all that. Don't mind this. I feel like I didn't have to add too many products because this foundation did majority of the work. And that is what I call a foundation to me. One that I don't have to do much work. One that's gonna just really enhance my beauty because that's what makeup should be. I shouldn't have to, you know, be trying to dib and dab and do too many different things on my face. This foundation is 2 thumbs up for me. I am obsessed. I am going to keep you guys posted in the comment section down below how it wears throughout the day on my skin. If you're new here, I have sensitive, normal to dry skin. So I'm gonna let you guys know how the natural matte holds up and all the claims and all that on my skin. Let me know if you've tried the Urban Decay Face Bond Foundation. What are your thoughts? Let's talk about it down below. But for me, right now, first impression, thank you, Urban Decay. All of the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. So I hope you enjoyed this honest, thorough initial review. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.